Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're checking out a brand new entry in the electric bike market, the Mercedes-Benz bikes. Now, you might be thinking, why would Mercedes get into e-bikes? Well, buckle up, because these are no ordinary bicycles. Key features: performance. Let's start with what makes them tick. There are 4 models in the range: Formula E, Silver Arrow Sport, and Championship Edition. All feature aluminum frames, carbon fiber forks, and hydraulic disc brakes for confident stopping. Here's where things get interesting. The Formula E and Silver Arrow models come with a 250-watt motor with a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, perfect for zipping around town. The Silver Arrow Sport ups the ante with a 500-watt motor, ideal for conquering hillier commutes. Now, the top-of-the-line Championship Edition is a whole different beast. It boasts a dual-motor setup with a whopping 750 watts of power and a range of up to 75 miles. That's enough to tackle some serious adventures. Design elements. Of course, it wouldn't be a Mercedes without luxurious touches. These e-bikes have a sleek, minimalist design that screams sophistication. The brushed aluminum accents and integrated displays on the handlebars add a touch of class. But it's not just about looks. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, whether you're cruising down the boardwalk or commuting to work. One thing to note: some reviewers mention limited options for adding accessories like a kickstand or fenders. Unique selling points. So, what sets these e-bikes apart? First, there's the pedigree. Owning a Mercedes-Benz bike comes with a certain prestige. Second, the combination of power, range, and sleek design is hard to beat. Third, the belt drive system is a nice touch. It's quiet, requires minimal maintenance, and is no messy chain to deal with. Who are these e-bikes for? These aren't your average e-bikes. They come with the premium price tag, so they're ideal for riders who want a luxurious and powerful electric ride. If you're looking for a stylish, high-performance e-bike to conquer your commute or explore your city, the Mercedes-Benz bikes are definitely worth considering. Outro. Let us know in the comments below what you think of these new e-bikes from Mercedes-Benz. Would you trade in your car for a ride on one? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric vehicle content. Thanks for watching.